and a heartfelt gratitude and thank you to all of you who've come in tremendous support for our film Razi. We're exceptionally grateful for all of you. I know it's a late press conference we've had tonight, but for many logistic reasons, we had to keep it at this hour. And truly all of us, on behalf of Junglee Pictures and Dharma Productions and the entire cast and crew of Razi, we are immensely grateful that you all have come in such large numbers in support and in love of Razi. Razi has been a tremendous journey from its inception to its visualization, to its eventual journey with the box office and the audiences globally. It truly has been one of the most gratifying experiences of my career in the past 20 years, in the last 2 decades. A film that wins love, that wins respect, and that also earns money is truly a rarity in this time and age. And it is that force and combination of these tremendous factors that have given us so much love and our hearts even wide open with almost like ecstasy and happiness to this wondrous response that the film has received. We have some major forces behind this spectacular film. I'm only calling it spectacular because that's what the world is calling it right now, or else we will try very hard to be humble tonight, only because it is truly all about humility. We have the absolute legend in the house, Gulzar Saab, who I am immensely honored and privileged to work with. He's, if I have to say who am I the biggest fan of in the fraternity, I would say it's Gulzar Saab. His words that come out of his soul and heart have raised me with a certain value system that I will always, always be grateful for. Thank you, Gulzar Saab, just for your presence tonight. It means the world to me and to your superstar daughter, who I will talk about a little later. Thank you so much. That brings me to, as I said, the forces behind this film. We always, always, always talk about lead players, but this film is about its cast, its crew, its production. All of you here, each and every one of you, from every division, I want, with my hand on my heart, to say how grateful we are for all the work that you've done for us. Each and every member of the cast, crew, technical, marketing, PR, everyone, everything, all of you have contributed tremendously to the power and impact of Razi, so thank you. And I would like to call some illustrious ladies and gentlemen on stage who have made this film possible for us. I'm going to begin by calling Preeti Shahani. Preeti Shahani, the force behind Junglee Pictures. Preeti Shahani has had a supreme record in her journey at Junglee Pictures with really amazing work like Talwar and Dil Dhadakne Do and Razi, Bareli Ki Barfi, tremendous films that have not only won tremendous respect but also made substantial amounts of money at the box office. Preeti, truly a force to reckon with. And the spine of Dharma Productions, who has been my partner in crime for very many years, for over 3.5 decades, my best friend and my partner in crime, as I said, Apurva Mehta, who's produced the film along with us at Dharma Production. Now, before I open some questions, open to all of you, I'm going to just ask you a quick question. Preeti, your experience, should we come center? Producers very rarely get center stage, but it's time that we fight for our spotlight. And we'll keep it brief. So Preeti, I'm going to begin by you. This journey of Razi has been amazing, and I'm sure that you'd like to kind of share your journey on the film with us.
Now, this has been an extremely special journey. It started 2 years ago. I was reading a book and then had a conversation with Meghna. We just completed Talwar, and we were discussing this story. But really what has been special is the adaptation of a brilliant screenplay coming together with Dharma, Apurva, yourself, your entire team, and building this film from what was on paper, finding characters that we were excited about when we were writing or reading it, and then eventually getting the most stellar, special, spectacularly talented cast that came in to tell the story. But this, more than anything else, has been such a wonderful collaboration because I think it's all the strengths of 2 organizations that came together to give support to Meghna to tell her story. So this was absolutely fantastic, and thank you for that.
Oh, thank you, Preeti, and thank you for allowing us to share your vision with the rest of the world. Thank you very much. Apurva, with a legacy of work that we've all done together, Razi being one of our most special pieces of work that we put out to an audience globally, what do you have to say about your experience and our collaboration with Jungly Pictures?
Yeah. So I think this has been our first collaboration with Jungly Pictures, and I think we're really truly thankful to Preeti for coming to us with this script, and of course bringing the amazing Meghna Gulzar also along with her. It's really been an extraordinary journey. I think we spent lots of time discussing budgets, fighting, production, distribution, how do we cut things, but I think it's been great because at the end of the day, we both agreed, and Meghna has been so nice on every front. And thank you so much, Meghna, really. I mean, this is truly a gem for us, and it feels so proud to be part of something like this. So thank you from all of us at Dharma.
Wonderful. Thank you, Apurva. Thank you, Preeti. And Preeti, would you do the honors and introduce the woman of the hour and the moment, the month, the everything?
Yeah. So 2012, this is a journey that started for me 2012 at Meghna's, in fact, Gulzar Uncle's home over copious amounts of tea and safe puri, and has carried on right up to Razi's. From Talwar to Razi, I met a woman who was incredible, had incredible strength, had a voice, and was wanting to tell her stories. Talwar was really special for us. But I think that in this journey, more than anything else, I have learned not only to respect, admire, but I'm constantly inspired by Meghna. And more than anything else, she's not just creative talent. For me, for Jungly Pictures, I'm so honored to say she's my friend. So I'd like to call Meghna here to please take the honor.
And to add to that, Meghna has been such a big part of my childhood. We have family friendships in common, and I feel like life has taken a complete circle. And like I messaged her and I said, my dad would have been so proud of you, Boski. I call her Boski, so if I do call that, that's my term of endearment for her.
This is a director's dream, any director's dream. They are large-hearted, they're creative, they understand the director's voice, they support the vision, they're fabulous people, and there's so much integrity that, and I've said this so many times before, I've said it to my crew, I've said it in my interviews, for a director, this has been my happiest experience making a film. Because I think very few directors are blessed with this kind of support, unflinching, unquestioning. And then there's this, which happens, and then it gets accepted the way it has. It's like a dream after a dream after a dream, and I don't want to wake up. Yeah.
Boski, this has been not only a daunting, but a tremendously responsible journey for you as well. The journey of actually portraying patriotism in a way that gives you not only a balanced perspective, but also you're dealing with such sensitivities. And I'm sure everyone would like to know how careful you were, and yet how you let abandon still slip you by, because that's what the film has. It has care, it has sensitivity, but it has truckloads of abandon.
I think the story itself is such a powerful one that you don't need the planks of placard carrying or jingoism or saying anything with a higher volume. You can say what you need to, say it simply, say it clearly and honestly, and move on. But I think a very big part to play here is that, you know, when you're making a film on patriotism and you're not bashing Pakistan, you need to have very brave people to back it. And that's you guys. And you have to have very brave people to come on board in a blink, all of you sitting over here. This is it's special because I am being told that it's genre defining in the spy thriller genre, that it's a new genre that has been created. It's unlike the spy thriller. It's unlike the spy stereotype. It's unlike the Pakistan bashing stereotype. And I'm glad for that. I'm glad for that because if there's anything that, you know, the acceptance of Razi has proved is that the audience is open, willing, and accepting to anything that is different and, breaking the stereotype. So I'm just glad we all did this.
Thank you, Boski, and I can't tell you how happy we are and how proud we are of the film and how you're the hugest reason for the pride that we feel in our heart. Truly, they say that there are few directors who leave their stamp of celluloid in the archives of Indian cinema, and I think we can proudly say that you've left that stamp. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Since we are talking about production, I would like to give a huge special mention to Sumit Chawla and his entire team, who have done a glorious job of producing the film, and might I say, being charged of making sure that we engulf the budget and stick to it.
Yes.
And I think that is always a big producer's concern. I can see Preeti and Apurva smiling loudly because we are directors, so I was sometime on her team more than I was on theirs.
I think Karan has played this role very beautifully, because when he needed to be, he lolled over on my side as a director, and when he needed to, he lolled over on their side, and neither of us actually knew which side is he actually defending.
Well,
Nobody knew.
Look, I'm Gemini. You get 2 for the price of 1. So you should know that when you produce a film with me, I come with that territory. You never know who I'm really in bed with. All right. Kannan,
But I have to say one thing. Sumit, I will say this in public because I will never let you forget. We started the recce of this film in Mussoorie because we were told to shoot it there. Okay? And we spent half a day recceing over there, and he could see on my face that every place we were going, my face was just going on falling because we were not getting what we wanted. We had a break of 1 hour for lunch, and then we were going to move on and go somewhere else. I see Sumit on the phone having a very long conversation. When he finished that conversation, he came to me and he said, "हम चंडीगढ़ वापस जाएंगे, श्रीनगर की टिकट बुक हो गई है, अब वहाँ जाके रेकी करेंगे." And the reason Razi looks the way it does is because he made that call.
Great. Well done, Sumit. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Before, of course, we get into phase 2 of our evening tonight, we'd like to know if you have any questions for Meghna, for Preeti, for Apurva. They're here to answer your query. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I should hope so.
Watch this space.
Yes. Thank you.
Shall we just say that, Preeti?
Yes, I think
Watch
that
this
works,
space.
yes.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. Anyone else?
I would like to congratulate the entire team here
Yes. Hi.
of Razi on the success. And I would like to ask a question from Apurva.
Yes.
You hold a pivotal position, of course. We've been hearing about the budget. What about the overflow? How are you going to manage it?
That's very easy. Trust me, there are no complaints on that front at all. That's something I don't need anybody's help on.
And you have been Karan's childhood friend. Who has tolerated whom?
I think he's tolerated me for sure.
No, it's been a supremely equal arrangement on that front. I wouldn't say there's the word tolerance. It's also called balance. You know, it's a way you kind of basically live a professional and a personal equation to strike the wonderful balance between the two. But thank you. We have any other questions? Yes. जी.
आप कोई और फिल्म तो नहीं निकालेंगी जिससे मेरी फिल्म मिलती है? शुक्रिया. Thank you so much.
ओह अच्छा, ये सवाल नहीं था, ये तारीफ थी. ये तो बड़ा अच्छा है. ऐसे और
पहले काफी उनसे पूछा था कि ये फिल्म से मिलती जुलती है, वो फिल्म से फना से मिलती है, हिंदुस्तान की कसम वगैरह पूछा.
मिलती है किसी से?
नहीं
ना.
किसी से नहीं मिलती.
So thank you.
I have a question for Meghna.
Yes.
नहीं मेघना प्लीज मेरा सवाल अभी.
Okay, sorry.
हाँ जी.
शुरू आपने पहले तलवार दी और अब ये दिया
जी.
इसके साथ ही अभी मंटो लेकर आ रही हैं अपनी नंदिता दास
जी.
इसके पहले भी लिपस्टिक में अलंकृता ने और उसके पहले गौरी शिंदे ने बहुत अच्छी फिल्में दी. तो क्या आप लोग जिस तरीके की जो महिला निर्देशक हैं इतनी खूबसूरत कंटेंट बेसिस फिल्म्स को भी काफ़ी सक्सेसफुल वे में लेके आ रही हैं, तो हम ये होप करें कि जो दौर अपर्णा सेन ने साई परंजपे ने गढ़ा था वो वापस लौटने वाला है?
दौर तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, लेकिन इसका पूरा क्रेडिट आप सिर्फ औरतों को क्यों दे रही हैं? आई थिंक हमारे जो मेल डायरेक्टर्स हैं, तो मुझे ये, हम मेल डायरेक्टर्स को मेल डायरेक्टर्स नहीं बोलते, तो हम फीमेल डायरेक्टर्स को फीमेल डायरेक्टर क्यों बोलते हैं? I think our directors today are just making good films. And that's because the producers and the studios are now not afraid to back out of the box content. तो इसलिए अलग अलग तरह की फिल्में बन रही हैं, और वो औरतें भी बना रही हैं, मर्द भी बना रहे हैं, अच्छी फिल्में बन रही हैं, ये सबसे बड़ी बात है, सबसे ज़रूरी बात ये है.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for that. Thank you, Boskir. Thank you for that answer. We're going to move to the next phase, and there will be time for all questions. There will be.
I bullied them.
You know, firstly, I want to tell you that we have really tried to kind of break the myth of what people perceive Dharma Productions to be.
Really?
Time and again, we've done films that have broken the mold, but we yet get asked this question. So there's something we're doing wrong. When I made many movies, I've been asked during Kapoor and Sons, now during Razi, during My Name is Khan, I've been asked, आप इस किस्म की पिक्चर नहीं बनाते ऐसे, मतलब आप क्या करूँ, आप लोग सिर्फ कुछ होता है और कभी खुशी कभी गम से हमें याद करेंगे, तो फिर लानत है यार हम पर. Acha, thank you. Moving on very swiftly from that, on to the next phase of our evening. As we all know, yes ma'am, I'm not going anywhere. I promise I'll come and give you a hug after this. But let me just go on, because we have a glorious evening ahead of us. But thank you very much. We're going to make sure that we answer your question. Thank you so much. As you know that, and especially for me and everyone associated with this film at Dharma and Jagli, and of course we know Meghna's, close and affinity to music, which contributes so tremendously to the soul of the film. Like I said at the head of this evening, that we are immensely grateful and gratified with the legendary presence of none other than Gulzar Saab. His relationship with Meghna, we all know, the most empowered relationship, I would say, of two immensely talented souls, and their place in cinema is completely justified with the body of work that, of course, Gulzar Saab has done in abundance, and now his wondrous daughter is creating and paving her own journey. Gulzar Saab, thank you for helming this film, for just writing those beautiful words and giving this film its so required soul. And to Shankar, Loy and Ehsan, who have been my amazing partners in so many movies, and we've created such a wonderful, wonderful body of work together. The coming together of you and Gulzar Saab for Razi has made this album so special, and the film even more so. Could I request all of you, Gulzar Saab, could I request you to join us on stage? And if I could request Shankar and Loy to escort truly, who I believe, ladies and gentlemen, is the one and only Gulzar Saab with us tonight. So honored to have you. Gulzar Saab, I'm sure कि आपके जहन में, आपके दिल में, आपके मन में बहुत सारे इमोशंस, भावनाएं इस पल गुजर रहे हैं. तो आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे कि आपकी क्या फीलिंग है इस पल? आई नो इट्स अ वेरी सिली क्वेश्चन, बट लेकिन फिर भी मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि आपके जहन में क्या हो रहा है?
Well, after the entire journey, जितना लंबा एक सफ़र करके आया हूँ मैं, वो सफ़र हिंदी में किया है, अंग्रेजी में नहीं.
अच्छा.
हाँ, अंग्रेजी में सफ़र कुछ और हो जाता है. मैं हिंदी में सफ़र करता हुआ आया हूँ यहाँ इतने बरस, और यहाँ पहुँच के बस इतना कह सकता हूँ कि it's such a fulfillment to be in the audience of your daughter. ये बहुत मुश्किल मौका मिलता है माँ बाप को भी, तो वहाँ पहुँच के एक बड़ी तसल्ली होती है. लेकिन ये देख के और तसल्ली होती है कि इनके साथ जितने जुड़े हुए लोग हैं, जिनका जो पूरा यूनिट, इनके साथ जो प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं और टेक्नीशियंस हैं और ये सारे जुड़े हुए हैं, ये यहाँ से मैं चला तो मुझे लगता है अब this is the generation who has brought cinema to this place, who has brought cinema to this dignity, to this status. और यहाँ पे आके फिर जी चाहता है कि इनका हाथ पकड़ लो और इस बार don't lead them this time, keep on following them. That's what I feel.
Gulzar Saab, I can't tell you how grateful we are to have your your presence, your energy, and that soul that you bring along to every piece of work. And I know,
Thank you.
I know
Thank
how
you.
emotional this is for you, Boski,
is.
and I know what it must mean for you to get your father's love and validation on your piece of work. Give it up for the father and daughter that I really believe.
That's my girlfriend's mouth.
ये इश्क नहीं आसान गुलजार साहब, ये ऐसे ही हो जाता है. ये बेटी है, अभी मेरी बेटी हुई है, 15 महीने हुए. I get what that emotion now feels like.
I can also understand, for to say a word on behalf of Mahesh, because Mahesh must also be feeling the same thing which I am feeling now.
Yeah.
And here is the other daughter of mine.
Thank you, Gulzar Saab. Shankar and Loy, we're missing Ehsan here tonight.
We're missing Ehsan a lot.
Yes, we are
Ehsan, we miss you.
Yes, we miss you, Ehsan. And हम पे एहसान करना, बाद में हमें फ़ोन करना. लेकिन अभी के लिए, Shankar, you of course collaborated so much with Gulzar Saab. Some great pieces of work. And this has been your collaboration with Meghna on this film. Both your experiences, we'd love to hear what you have to say.
This is truly, I mean, just being with him on any project is any music director's dream. Just when he walks into the studio, you know, he just lights up the studio with his energy and so much positivity. And moreover, after that we have Meghna to add to it. It's been such a pleasure, and you know, we started off with Air Watan. Air Watan was composed in his house. Just we were sitting and having chai, and you know, he just wrote it then and there, and the song was done in about 10 minutes. It was composed over there, and I remember that, Meghna. And now we see all this is happening, so it's more than a dream come true.
Loy, thank you, Shankar. And
well, it's special. Every part of it's been really wonderful. You know, Meghna and Gulzar sir, and of course my partners. It's a beautiful feeling, you know. And I wish we could do many more of them in the future.
Thank you. And all of us want to congratulate you for this tremendous score, and all the music is being loved and appreciated, and of course has been beautifully integrated into the narrative. So thank you again. Any questions we have for these legends we have on stage with us today?
Hi,
Yes,
can I ask
yes,
now?
hi, yes.
Hi, I'm Bhavna from Z.
Hi,
मेघना जी,
Bhavna.
मैं आपसे सवाल करना चाहूँगी. इस फिल्म में जैसा कि आपने कहा कि पाकिस्तान पे फिल्म बनाते हैं तो बहुत सारे ब्रेव लोगों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. पहली बार ऐसा देखा गया है कि पाकिस्तान भी अगर दिखाया है या उस साइड के लोग भी दिखाए हैं तो इविल नहीं दिखाया है, ह्यूमन एसेंस मेंटेन किया है. आपका क्या थॉट था इसके लिए?
क्योंकि वो भी ह्यूमन हैं. उनके मतलब 3 बाह और 4 आँखें तो नहीं हैं, हमारे जैसे ही हैं. और हमको खुद को अच्छा दिखाने के लिए किसी और को बुरा दिखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वो मतलब हम कोशिश वही रही है कि जो बात हमें कहनी है वो सच्चाई से कहें और सरलता से कहें. उसके लिए नारेबाजी की ज़रूरत नहीं है. और कहानी भी ऐसी थी कि ना उसकी ज़रूरत थी ना हमें ज़रूरत महसूस हुई इस तरह की चीज़ें डाल के कहानी को और मसालेदार या बिकाऊ बनाने की. बस.
Thank you so much. And I also want to tell that I loved Air Watan. मैं अभी भी हम करती रहती हूँ जब भी ये गाना सुनती हूँ. बहुत ही अच्छा गाना है.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Well, credit to Shankar, Ehsan, Loy, and Gulzar Saab. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. We have any other questions for the illustrious ladies and gentlemen on stage? जी, गुलजार साहब के लिए सवाल.
गुलजार जी, आपने बोधकियाना में लिखा था मेरी प्यारी बोधकी को बूंद जैती ओदकी को. तो ये आपने बोधकी को दिया था, अपनी बोधकी को.
जी.
तो उनसे आज तक आपको क्या चीज मिली है जो सबसे खूबसूरत रही?
क्या चीज थी?
ऐसी क्या चीज मिली है जो सबसे ज्यादा खूबसूरत? ऐसी क्या चीज आप क्या मिली है?
अब बताइए, अगर ओस की बूंद महसूस हो जाए आपको तो आप उससे ज्यादा पाक बूंद और कहाँ ढूंढेंगे? अब मुझे अपनी बेटी में मिल गई थी, सो मैंने कह दिया.
Thank you. Thank you again. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Boski, I'm going to request you to stay on stage. And
sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Gulzar sir, photo चाहिए.
हाँ जी.
Come. Photo ले लीजिए. Uski, come back. We've had the honor and the privilege of having some of the best actors in the business in this film, each one essaying a difficult part, walking a tightrope, showing shades of gray much more than the regular shades of black and white that we're also used to. I believe that life lives in the gray, and to portray it on celluloid is not easy. It takes a brilliant filmmaker, an exceptional story, and an impact of a true blue quintessential film with a beating heart for these actors to come alive. All of us in the front row here, all actors in the front 2 rows, have really contributed tremendously to the impact of Razi. We thank you on behalf of both production houses, Junglee Pictures and Dharma Productions, for really truly contributing to the essence and impact of Razi. Just a general word for the acting impact of Razi.
It's very clear from the reactions of the audience. They talk about the actors first with the character name, then they mention the actor name in their tweets, in their reviews, which means that these actors, all of them, dropped their shell of who they were and became who they were supposed to be in the film. Completely surrendered to the story, to the character, and lived the character through the making of the film. And that's what shows.
Wonderful. And may I please request, well, let me introduce him and say that I've had some fun working with him already. I directed him on a short film that will be out next month. And my initial meetings with him were always amazing. He was also on set with me of one of a very defining piece of work in my career called Bombay Velvet. We never really met, unfortunately, while we were filming that film. We were apparently in the same scene together, but we somehow didn't meet. But a lot of that happened on that film. I didn't meet myself also, I feel, on that film. But that is a different story altogether. And then I had great fun directing him on Love Stories. And when I was told by Boski that she was offering him the role, I was really happy because he's a supremely talented, superb actor. You've already seen his tremendous body of work he's done in special films like Masan and Raman Raghav, and so many films that have yet to come out that will truly show the magnitude and potential of none other than Vicky Kaushal. Can we please ask you to join us on stage?
He says I'm the world's best hugger.
She is. She is.
I have to say we have so much parental love in the house today. I have to say that we have Sony in the house. Sony, I'm so happy that you're here with us today. And really it means the world that you've blessed us in the film, and you've played Alia's mother, and you've been part of my journey from the very beginning when it came to Alia. The first time I remember Alia walked into the office at Dharma Productions, you came with her. She was 17 years old then. And I think a few months after that, I decided that she was going to be my firstborn child. Not biologically, but emotionally. And from then on, Alia has grown from strength to strength, from force to force. I'm proud to say she's done 8 feature films for Dharma Productions in the last 5.5 years. And I'm proud to say that 7 of them are successful hit and super hit films. We've had one blemish in our report card, but so what? The journey's still been Shandar. And I have to say, with all my heart, I love you with tremendous abandon, and I know that the same amount of love is in Boski's heart for you. Can we please welcome the supreme force of Hindi cinema today, Alia Bhatt. Okay, I'm sure we have questions that are going to come your way, but before that, I have to ask you again, Boski. This journey with the two characters, with both of them, with Iqbal and Sehmat, how has that been? Just dealing with them and performing with them, along with them. Before they have their little two bits to say, we'd like to hear the director's voice first.
When I say that this film has been my happiest as a director, it is in no small part because of these two. They've spoilt me. There is so much lightness and goodness on the set because they are such good people, apart from being fabulous actors. They embrace what I would throw at them and then volley it back at me with double the intensity that I asked for. Every take, every day, every new scene was a surprise. They've divested themselves and unraveled the character for me beyond how I saw them. I will always be grateful, always, for both of you.
Thank you. Vicky, what do you have to say?
While
she was snowballing and throwing things at you, were you catching it efficiently or were you dodging the ball?
I was trying my level best, but first of all, I just want to say कि आज मेघना ने मुझे इतना बड़ा तोहफा दिया है. मैं आज गुलजार
It's Vicky's birthday, by the way, guys, today.
Yeah.
It's Vicky's birthday, 16th of May.
Yeah. मैं आज गुलजार साहब से पहली बार मिला हूँ तो मैं बहुत overwhelmed हूँ. गुलजार साहब, I love you. The reason why I say that she's the world's best hugger is I remember the first day of shoot. I change into costume, I step out of the van, and I'm en route to go on floors. She meets me before going on floor inside the studio, and she gives me a warm hug, the longest hug possible, and she just said, "We're gonna do it together. Welcome." And that just set the tone for me. You know, that hug just, I mean, it was from that hug onwards, it was just beautiful. Every moment, being on set, being directed by her was just absolute delight. Thank you, Meghna.
Wow. And Alia, as Sehmat, as this brave child that you projected and played, you must have had that kind of tremendous give and take with Meghna, only because it's that kind of film, that kind of role that requires you to just invest and believe in your director, your journey.
I mean, I don't think there's no amount of sentences or words can really put together my journey with Meghna, because on this film, it was very important for me as an actor, at least, not important, but sort of, it just had to happen that way, that I had to be a little mad with this character. And when your director gets your madness and loves your madness, there's no better feeling. Because how vulnerable an actor feels in front of the camera, especially playing a character like this, it's very scary. It's very, very scary. It's like being in a room with fire all around you, and it's like the heat is coming, but it's not coming, and you're aware. And in that moment, you just need one person to hold your hand and say, listen, I'm there, and I know what you're going through, and it's not just you, we're going through it together. And it was very important that I went through this journey with someone together, because the kind of character I was playing, it was too much. So thank you, Meghna, for holding my hand and just getting me. And you know the main chick story.
We can't say that.
We can't say that, but between us, whoever knows the story, you'll be my main chick for life. Thank you.
And you mine.
Yeah. If nobody should ever know that story.
You have gone and told everyone
I
that
have told
story.
lots of people, we still can't tell the media. We'll get into lots of trouble with that story. Alia has got herself into copious amounts of trouble in the past. We don't want to go and start and spiral that again. But listen, both of you have been amazing, so much love coming your way, and I'm sure members of the media have questions for you, questions for our two protagonists.
नमस्कार, आदाब आप सब लोगों को. मैं नवभारत टाइम से रेखा खान. सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सब लोगों को और खुद को भी बहुत सारी मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगी. कंग्रेचुलेशंस। और विकी, आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू।
मेघना जी, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है कि इस फिल्म के ज़रिए आपने एक देशभक्ति की, एक कहते हैं ना कि एक नई डेफिनेशन दी है। और ये सच है कि अपनी देशभक्ति को ऊंचा करने के लिए दूसरे की देशभक्ति को नीचा करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। हमारी फिल्मों में अक्सर जब भी देशभक्ति की बात होती है तो बहुत पाकिस्तान बैशिंग होती है, लेकिन इस फिल्म में ऐसा कुछ भी देखने नहीं मिला। ये बहुत ही सुखद पहलू था। तो मेरा सवाल ये है, आप चारों मंच पर मौजूद हैं, मैं आप लोगों से जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप लोगों के लिए देशभक्ति की क्या डेफिनेशन है? फिल्म के ज़रिए तो आपने दे दी है।
उसे जताने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती। वो है जिसे जताने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती। उसे अगर आप सच्चाई से महसूस कर लें, सबसे पहली चीज़ और सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ वो है। और वो मतलब अगर आप मूवी हॉल में हैं और आपका नेशनल एंथम बज रहा है, या आप एक बच्चे के स्पोर्ट्स डे सेलिब्रेशन में हैं और सारा मैदान खड़ा होकर नेशनल एंथम गा रहा है और उससे आपके आँख नम हो जाए या आपके रोंगटे खड़े हो जाएं, आप तब भी पेट्रियट हैं। और आप अगर अपने मुल्क के लिए अपनी जान कुर्बान करने के लिए तैयार हों, फ़ौज में भर्ती हो जाए, आप तब भी पेट्रियट हैं। उसे महसूस करना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है जताने से।
आलिया, आप?
मैं मेघना के
आपको भी आंसर करना पड़ेगा और करण आपको भी।
हाँ, मैं बहुत ही सिंपली कह दूंगी कि मैं मेघना के आंसर से बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ।
विकी, आप बताइए, आपकी क्या डेफिनेशन है देशभक्ति को लेकर?
मैं आलिया की सहमति से बहुत राजी हूँ।
ऐसे नहीं चलेगा, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा। ये नहीं है तो एक लाइन बन जाएगी फिर। प्लीज बताइए।
नहीं, पर मैं सच में इस चीज़ को मानता हूँ। पेट्रियट होना मेरे लिए एक स्पिरिचुअल होने के बराबर है। मैं अपनी स्पिरिचुअलिटी को फील करता हूँ। मैं उसको डंके की चोट पे चीख कर नहीं कहना चाहता कि मैं स्पिरिचुअल इंसान हूँ, यू नो। उसी तरह मैं डंके की चोट पर ये कहना नहीं चाहता कि मैं पेट्रियट हूँ। मैं वो फील करता हूँ और मैं सच्चे दिल से फील करता हूँ। एंड आई थिंक पेट्रियटिज्म इज़ कि आप देशभक्ति, देश किससे बनता है? लोगों से बनता है। आप लोगों को सुनिए, उनके ओपिनियंस को मौका दीजिए, उनकी इज्जत कीजिए, एक दूसरे को समझिए। हमें ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमारे डाइवर्सिटी में जो स्ट्रेंथ है ना, वो शायद कोई और देश में नहीं है। एंड वी हैव टू ट्रीट इट एज अ स्ट्रेंथ। अभी शायद वो नहीं हो रहा, बट वी रियली नीड टू डू दैट।
करण, प्लीज आप भी बताइए कुछ।
देखिए, ये देश मेरा घर है और मेरे घर के बारे में मुझे अगर अपने आप को जस्टिफाई करना हो तो मुझे कभी कभी बुरा लगता है। मैं इस घर में मैं नहीं हूँ, देश मेरा है और हमेशा रहेगा मेरे जहन में, मेरे दिल में, मेरे हर रग रग में देश बस चुका है। और इसीलिए जहाँ मैं जाता हूँ गर्व के साथ मैं जाता हूँ, और वही गर्व मुझे मेरे देश ने मुझे दिया है। मेरा घमंड है, मेरा गुरूर है, मेरा देश मेरा सब कुछ है। तो उसे मैं ना जस्टिफाई करना चाहूँगा, ना मैं उसके अपनी पेट्रियटिज्म जैसे विकी ने कहा उसे कोई प्रूव करना चाहूँगा। बस वो हमारे जहन में बस चुका है। और जहाँ जाते हैं हम, मैं जहाँ बात करता हूँ, मैं गर्व से कहता हूँ कि मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ और मैं हिंदुस्तानी सिनेमा का हिस्सा हूँ और हमेशा रहना चाहूँगा। मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि मैं कहीं बाहर विदेश में जाऊँ, कहीं जाके ऑस्कर जीतूँ, वहाँ जाके मैं शॉपिंग करना चाहूँगा, लेकिन यहाँ मैं रहना चाहूँगा, यही मैं फिल्में बनाना चाहूँगा। जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ।
आलिया, मैं आपसे ज़रूर जानना चाहूँगी, माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह आपने बहुत ही कमाल की परफॉर्मेंस की है और उसके लिए आपको बहुत सारी मुबारकबाद। लेकिन आप इतनी फ्लॉलेस, इतनी एफर्टलेस कैसे परफॉर्म कर पाती हैं?
फ्लॉलेस नहीं कहूँगी, एफर्टलेस भी नहीं कहूँगी, काफ़ी एफर्ट गई है इस
पर्दे पे दिखता नहीं है, यानी स्क्रीन पे नजर
हाँ,
नहीं
तो वो राइटिंग और डायरेक्टर का कमाल है और जैसे वो मुझे शूट करते हैं उनका कमाल है। ऑनेस्टली आई एज एन एक्टर, मैं इट विल बी फूलिश फॉर मी टू थिंक कि ये मेरा किया गया है। मैंने अपना दिल दिया है, अपना खून पसीना एक करके दिया है, बट I am nothing without my character. I am nothing without my story, my screenplay, my director, my script, my actors. तो अगर मैं flawless और effortless हूँ तो वो भी flawless और effortless है.
And we've heard Alia speak about herself many times, but I really want to ask Soni, who's her mother, and if I can ask you, Soni, can I have you say sentences and ask you? You've spoken so many times, I'm sure, about your daughter, but I really want to know what you have to say and how proud you must feel of Alia tonight and every other night.
Yeah, I am. I'm actually just quite amazed by my own daughter, and I don't think I should keep saying this as a mother because, but it's true.
You're proud.
I'm very proud.
Well, I think both of us standing here look like now we're the parents. I'm representing Bhatt Sahab here. I feel like we're mommy and daddy, looking like two proud parents of our child who's on stage ready to win her elocution competition.
That's exactly what I told her right now.
Thank you, Soni. Thank you. Now, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say that we, like I said at the top of this segment, that we've had the privilege and the pleasure of such an amazing cast and crew who all I'd like to mention and then invite on stage, and then the rest of the crew post that. Now we have with us, of course, we have Alia Bhatt who played Sehmat, and Vicky who played Iqbal with abandon, with such terrificness. Thank you, Meghna. Thank you for bringing alive Iqbal and Sehmat in the way they have. And thank you, Alia, for just making this film so much more Razi to an audience. Thank you, you're true blue, you're just stars. You're stars and rock stars, and we love you. Thank you. Major mark was made by his performance. He played Mir. He's the actor Jaideep Ahlawat. Jaideep Ahlawat shines in the role of Mir. His silences speak volumes. His dilemmas speak beyond words. He truly has, as you know, that the coming of age and the discovery of a supreme actor, his work, of course, in Gangs of Wasseypur has been unanimously loved. But Razi, of course, has taken that leap for him. We are really proud of you, Jaideep, and continue doing the tremendous work that you have. Rajat Kapoor as Hidayat, the father, the brilliance. Thank you, sir. Thank you that you bring always to every lead performance that you do, like truly fantastic and so well received across the world. Shishir Sharma, we've had the pleasure of working with you. You are on bucket list as well, and I hope Razi was on your bucket list, and it truly is a solid performance. I was watching it and I'm like, that shows the versatility of an actor, because in bucket list, it's a Marathi film and then he speaks chaste Urdu like a true blue rock star. Thank you, Shishir, for amazingness. Soni, like I said, thank you. You've been the icing on this wonderful cake by bringing maternal love and your glorious presence like you always do. Thank you. Thank you so much. Amruta, as Munira, you are absolutely fantastic. Well done, Amruta. Truly, every moment that you had on Celluloid was special, and we felt very bad when well, I won't say the spoiler ahead, that I was going to reveal it, and I was like, for those who haven't seen it.
5 days.
Yeah. Yes, no, but still, we won. Arif Zakaria, I have had the pleasure of directing you. Arif, thank you so much. You're so wonderfully eerie, and then we won't say what happens to you eventually, but because I don't want to give spoilers, but Arif, you really scared me, and then I was scared for you. eventually, you almost made Razi into a little bit of a horror film in parts. Like it was scary. His parts were scary. I had people talking to screen saying, like it was scary. His parts were scary. I had people talking to screen saying, and he'll catch you. Don't go and he'll catch you. Fantastic. Play it louder, yeah. Ashwath Bhatt as Mehboob, again, very sorry for what happens to you in the film. But my hugest apologies. But you know who you have to blame for that.
This is the 5th day.
Yeah, I think, tremendous performance, Ashwath. Thank you so much. And again, heartfelt gratitude, of course, to Shankar, Ehsan and Loy, and the magical Gulzar Saab. Thank you so much. Apurva and Preeti, like I said, thank you for being the spine. Thank you for being through all the turbulences. Thank you again. I have special mention to Niloufar, to the marketing team, of Jungli Pictures, of Dharma Productions, of all the marketing teams, production teams, the support system we have. Preeti, I'd love for you to come and say anything you have on Jungli in particular. All right. Before we go ahead, I'd like to call all the names I mentioned to stage. Everyone associated, I would like you to... Yeah, and of course, it's very critical that we mention, so I have to tell you about one gentleman who's never in the spotlight. He is one of my oldest and closest friends. His name is Anil Thadani. We've had the most amazing journey together, and He's been on my journey even when he's not distributed my films. He's borne all my stresses, my nervousness, my tensions on Friday night, on what the number is, on Saturday, what the number is, what the drop was, what the rise was, what happened on Monday. He's been lucky for Preeti, for us at Dharma Productions. Thank you, Anil. Thank you for being such a big force. And I've known Anil all through my college life. Lesser known fact, I actually know Aditya Chopra only because of Anil Tarani, but that's a little bit of a note that you might find in my book. Now, all the wonderful... Meghna, I want you to invite your wonderful cast and crew on stage, please.
Please, gang, Syed family, Hidayat family. A large number of my dear technicians and crew is missing. Our cinematographer Jay isn't here. My writer Bhavani Iyer is not here. But we do have one half of our super production design team of Subriti Chakravarti and Amit Ray. Amitda, please come on stage. Where are you? Where is he? Huh? He's left. He's also not here. And editor's also not here. Nitin, are you here? No. The behind the scenes guys prefer to stay behind the scenes only. They don't want to come in front over here. Okay, so just
Ladies
know
and
that
gentlemen,
we
I
miss
give
you
you
guys.
the forces of Razi. Thank you very much again, members of the media. I'm really, truly, all of us on behalf of Jungly Pictures, Meghna Gulzar, Dharma Productions, we're very happy to have had all of you. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for supporting us. Make sure you support us and make us rise over every dead pool that is alive. Thank you.